So the greatest mistake I made was not understanding debt before my 20s. So, like many of us, we end up in college. We end up attracted to all the beautiful things that are happening on campus. We want to party. We want to have fun. We go to the store, and the first thing they say, hey, do you want to apply for a credit card? Of course, free money. But not understanding how to create and maximize your debt profile is, to me, one of the first steps on understanding how to become an investor. If you're new to this game and you're new to wanting to invest in commercial real estate and or real estate, how does your debt profile look? Do you have diversity in your debt? So that means, do you have credit cards? Do you have bank loans? Do you have car loans? Do you have educational loans? Do you have a different variety of loans that can help your credit score truly become mature? So when you're thinking about getting into investing, most times lenders are going to want to assess the risk in giving you a loan and or the risk of you possibly defaulting. If you don't have a robust history of debt, then you may put yourself in a higher risk category to which you're going to get worse interest rates. You're going to get maybe not the best deal. So take a step back. If you're looking to invest, start to understand what your debt profile is. Start to understand how you can maximize your credit card profile, how you can maximize your potential lending profile. And that way, once you start to truly get into investing, you'll be ready to go.